This car shoots fire.
You got those mock diamonds though? We're getting into it.
You guys wanted 240 videos. Here are the 240 videos.
Yes. 240.
So basically one of the reasons I haven't been driving it is because these new wheels, those little Cosmos wheels over there, they rub bumper and the flares a ton. I've already started shaving them a little bit. But yeah, just so SeaWorld can shoot rollers of this car. Going through the trouble right now.
Absolutely.
Sunday's not for working on cars, and today's Sunday too, so.
Yeah. You can't get Chick-fil-A after you work on your car. Is it really worth it?
Quick side intermission. Oh, shot.
Oh, what the fuck is that? Yo!
Oh, fuck, you set Mikey off.
Dude, he's so excited.
Oh, it's done. So this is the new hub-centric thing?
Yes. It's like those spikes on
Oh my god, it's a cock and balls, dude.
Why do you have
Balls
that?
too, bro.
Hey, look at that fitment.
That fitment though.
It looks so funny over there.
Rocket
I'm
Bunny.
just trying to shave my bumper and fenders, and these kids are wilding.
What the fuck? You're
They
wildin'.
wildin'.
You're wildin'. You brought it out. He stopped recording.
Oh no! Okay, hold up. What else can we...
Things got a little complicated, and it's kind of hard to explain without showing the car right in front of me. I already washed it and covered it. But yeah, in the next few days, I'll have a video. We're definitely going to be back working on this car. Yeah, I'm kind of leaving you guys on like a cliffhanger with this car right now. Basically, the car is still rubbing. One of the studs, like the extended wheel studs that's on the car, backed out. And I don't have time, frankly, to put it back in today because I have to take the brakes apart, or like the caliper and the rotor off. So yeah, that car is back on like a standstill right now. Yeah.
You know how long I've spent on this? How long have I spent on this?
I did it, and then he ruined it, and then now he can't figure it out.
I've never solved one.
Were you really expecting to be able to do it?
Like never
Okay,
tried.
I quit.
So yeah, the 240 is actually undrivable right now.
Why?
Wheel stud backed out. I'm not putting it back in today.
Cool.
So yeah, it's Evo season now.
He's just saying that just so... Wow, why are you
Not a
insulting?
240.
It's actually not stock.
But like it looks stock.
There's mirrors on it now.
True.
Oh, I told you, detail shots.
Okay, I'll take pictures of it, but I'm gonna like change the color of it to something else.
Just renders, just all renders.
I'll change it to the blue with the rocket bunny.
Wait, I want to render it too.
Roller season.
I bet you guys can't take off your roof.
Watch me.
I bet you can't take a turn at 60.
In this? Yeah, 100%. You can take a turn at 50, right? Christian said, yeah, of course.
We'll see. Are you familiar with AFR stuff? 14.7 is like the stoichiometric balance or whatever for a car to be running efficiently.
It's funny because that's PSI for air, natural
Oh.
air pressure. It's 14.7.
Yeah, so when you're idling, it should be right around 14.7. Then when you're at wide open throttle, it's usually in the 11s or mid 11s. That means you're running a little rich, which is good. Anything above 14.7 means you're gonna start leaning out.
Just in idle.
Well, no, like if you're driving around and it's above, well, if you're cruising, it might touch 15 a little bit, but if it's like more than that, if you're giving it gas and like you're accelerating and it's at 15, that's a problem. You want it to be even below 12. So, yeah, it's good to monitor. Yeah, is it recording?
Yes, wreck.
Swag. loud. I want it to be louder.
Should I have zoomed in?
Is he gonna do it again?
Hey! 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 That's not safe! Hey!
That's hilarious.
Your Evo is coming in the mail?
Yeah.
Ah, yeah.
Tomorrow.
GT350. Nope.
Couldn't tell it was a Camaro.
I could, all I saw was lights.
I think you did hit the fucking icon.
That was pretty close though.
Oh, yo,
I think you were not close at all.
Joe, is that your Instagram model friend?
That's Joe's girl.
Oh, I'm blowing it right in your fucking face. I'm sorry, Christian.
Hey, you giving me that poison?
Yeah, I'm giving you that fucking cancer, dude. The babe cancer. Strange group of cars. Our group of cars looks like a bunch of different salting.
Ooh, that ain't it, Chief. That exhaust. Sounded like a VQ almost.
Oh,
Well, there was a VQ. Yeah, we don't have any of those in our group.
Yeah, we do.
Oh yeah, it sounds like shit. oh, don't put that in the video.
Hey.
Are you gonna eat those pickles?
No.
Because he wants them.
What is
You
that?
take them. That's not. Dude,
No. That's tomato. You don't like pickles?
no.
Oh, baby. Christian, that's gonna be you one day.
That's like.
Alright, so we got Christian here.
I wonder what people think.
We got an Aventador. And what is Christian taking pictures of?
I was gonna say, I wonder what people think of when they see someone taking a picture of a Miata, and there's like a $500,000 car right next to it, and then there's a.
Woo!
Hey guys, cars over here.
Yeah.
This is the shit right here.
Hey, he's got Willwoods. He knows what's up. Whoa! Whoa!
It's like your Evo.
Why is it like my Evo?
They couldn't make the turn.
Oh, yeah.
You think my battery will die if I leave them in? Turn it up. Turn it up.
You gotta TE the world, Christian. TE's on everything as you get taken out by a Miata.
Has a duck bill on it.